You guys, this is the 2022 Toyota Tundra. And yes, this is a prototype edition. So the auto show was not letting people inside of it. But this is a fantastic, fantastic truck, folks. In every way. I mean, the 2022 Toyota Tundra is going to be in an SR 3.5 liter twin turbo V6, which they all have. And then the SR5, which is same V6 too, and they're going to have the limited version, and they're also going to have the platinum, and they're also going to have the 1794 edition, and they all have the same engine, same, of course, a gas engine, that is not an EV. But this is one of the fantastic pickup trucks that there is, folks. Toyota reliability and everything about it, it's just awesome. So this is going to mean great resale value, everything about it. The exterior design of this is just awesome. Everything's new. It's just going to seem like something else. Comparing this to the Chevrolet Silverado, this has a macho design that's awesome. This technical muscle, that is. Angular headlights on either side of this massive grille is nice. 6 grades are available, which we talked about earlier, and basically utilitarian, luxurious. And yes, it's locked. No one can get inside. People are trying with no look. How you guys doing? But this is just fantastic. You got children playing. This is just a fantastic pickup, folks. Now, if you crave the premium aesthetic, the luxury platinum 1794 edition is going to be something else. Flashy 20-inch wheels, more chrome and exterior elements. The SR and the SR5 trims are more down to earth, but they're also going to have the TRD Sport package. 20-inch wheels, TRD wheels, and TRD grille, TRD lower sport suspension. And the TRD Pro look, it doesn't need maximum capability, and it can opt for the TRD off-road package too on the SR5 Limited. The 1794 models are going to be an 18-inch TRD wheels. But this is fantastic. Got 4x4 on the back too, with the Tundra wording. Nice brake lights, the TRD 4x4 off-road. You got these nice, beautiful tires on here too. That's just awesome. Awesome. You have the gas, of course, on the left side. Of course, it's a prototype, letting you know it's locked. Don't try to get in, but you see a lot of fingerprints. Take a look inside. This is nice. I tell you, man, Toyota's doing it big. And if you want a pickup and you don't want to have to worry about resale value and this and that, this is the one to get. Angular, everything about it is just fantastic. That muscular look is to die for. Take a look at this front end. I tell you, man. What an awesome pickup truck. The Toyota Tundra. Fantastic, folks. Fantastic. This is AO. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Boy, this is fantastic.